Hello, today I want to introduce my application in class CSE335. It's my final project. And first, it is a project idea that I want to create an application that the user can search for the meal and they can save the recipe. They also can look up for the nearby market, and this application using course data for data storage and implement MVVM architect. It's also called the Web Services API from Schoolnacular. And all the information that's displayed by table view. And it's in my use case diagram. So we have three view here. It's a view home, it's a home view, meal detail view, and map view. In the home view, we can search for the meal plan or see the history of the meal plan. In the meal view detail, we can build or save meal plan, and we can see the meal detail. And in map view, we can look for the nearby market. And this app using MVVM diagram. So we have data model, we have view model, and we have three view, map view, content view, and show food view. In content view, we will call data model equal data model. And in show food view, we will call JSON data. We take the food data from data model. And the capability and limitation of this project, I think the capability is this app has the capability to help user build their meal plan, save and search for recipe, and locate nearby markets. It can store user data using course data. The app can incorporate map, location-based features to assist user in finding local market. It's also implementing the MVVM architect that can make the app easy to maintain and update. But the application I also have some limitation. The apps may not able to accurately predict the user preferences in terms of taste and nutrition. The app may not always be able to get the best market or store for the user need. The accuracy of location-based feature may depend on the user device and network connecting. And the lesson that I learned from this project is, I think it's important to prioritize user privacy and data security when implementing data storage and location-based features. Also, user testing and feedback can help identity and address usability issues. Regular maintenance and update can improve the app functionality and user experiences. Making the app simple and user-friendly can make it more appealing and useful to the wider audiences. And I have some suggestion for the improvement for the classes. So I think the professor should let students collaborate on the big project because of the big workloading in the project. And I think collaborating is the way that we can learn more about teamwork, communicate skill, and we also can provide the opportunity for feedback and learning from other. Another one is I think is could be better if the professor give less homework or extend the deadline, because I think there are a lot of homework in this class with the tight deadlines. And I think it's important because it can provide students with more flexibility in managing their time and balancing their other commitment like work or another activity. So now I can show you how my app work. So right here, I already saved some data. So from this home view, the user can see their meal history, or they can search for new meal. For example, I want to looking for I want to make some pork, and then I click search, and then I want to read this. So then I want to save the recipe, and then I go back home. So I can it's here, and then I click here, and I still can see the recipe here. Okay, and I also can delete it if I want. Okay, and like I live in Infinite, and I want to find the Walmart near me. So then I can look for a Walmart supermarket near me. So I will close the application and open it again to see if the data is still stored. Okay, so the data is still here, and we can do more search about the food what you want to make. And right here I have a data model where I have food data, result, and recipe. I have view model where I can implement the function add item, and I have three view. Is the content view, is the home page, is the home view, show food view, and mapping. So I store all the data right here on the course data. Yeah, I think that's all about my project. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you, and bye bye. Oh, I can stop. Okay.